Now we will see how we can raise or lower any surface. In order to raise or lower any surface, we go to edits, right click, and here we have got this raise or lower the surface. So basically when I see here, this point has an elevation of 18 meter. So let us say I want to add, let us say 1 meter to all of the surfaces. If I put 1, hit enter, and then let me have a check. You see the level now is 19 meter, 18.99, which is 19 meter. Earlier it was 18. So similarly, if I just give a negative sign, I can decrease the levels also. Now a question comes up: where do we use it for? Where can we use this? So normally, if you are doing any survey, you don't have the reference benchmark. You complete the survey, you get the survey data. Later on, you come to know, oh, the reference point which you had taken earlier, you did not know the survey level, but you get the reference level from another location and you tie it up there. And whatever is the difference, with that difference, you can either increase or decrease the levels. Third and final thing is, how do we paste a surface? Okay. Uh, Before in this exercise, I will uh, we will cover two things quickly. So first and foremost thing, let me make a surface out of some text. So basically I'm trying to put some text over here. Now I have these 4 points, which is nothing but simple text. You can see if I select it, the property is mtext, and if I look at the position set, it is 0, 0. So let me make this text into elevation. I mean, I want to basically give an elevation to them. There is a command which is called move text to elevation. Move text. Yeah, you can see move text to elevation in the command bar without any space. Let me click it. Yeah. Now I select all of them. Here I can see that 4 are found, and I hit enter. Now I again select the same thing and I see the Z value. You see it is showing as 10. Earlier it was not 10. Now you see it is 10.5. For 10.5 it is 10.5. For this it is 11. So basically the text has given itself a elevation. Now I will quickly make a surface out of this. Right click, create a surface. Uh, pasting surface. Now let me add these points to the surface. So I go to drawing objects. I go first. I go to definition and then drawing objects, and then in the drawing objects, I this is text. So I select text. Okay, fine. So Now you see I have this elevation ready. Now I will move this elevation inside my original drawing. I have moved the surface. Now if I have a look at the in the object viewer, I can see only this surface. Whereas if I look at this in the object viewer, I can see only this one. Okay. If I select both of them, I can see both of them, but they behave independently. They do not overlap over each other. Okay. Now let us say in this area has been excavated, and these are the new elevations. A square shape area is dug up for excavation, and this is the new survey which I have got. I have made the surface. Now I want to update my old surface. In order to do that, again we go to edits, right click, and then I select this paste surface. In the paste surface, sorry, we are in pasting surface already. So let me come out of this. I go to existing surface, and I am modifying the existing surface. So I have to go to existing surface, go to edit, right click, and then paste surface. Now in the pasting surface, since I have got only one other surface, I'll take this one and click OK. Now let us see how the 3D model behaves. Right click and see the object viewer. Now you see this square box. This square box, it has been incorporated in the original survey drawing. Okay, so you can see it is part and parcel of the original survey drawing. Even if I put my cursor over here, you see, even though it is showing me two surfaces, but the level of the both of them is the same, 10.272 and 10.272. Both are one and the same. Let me see what happens if I delete this surface. I have deleted this surface. Now you see I am left with only the modified surface, 10.303. Okay, this is for now, and as we had discussed in the earlier session, we will be speaking about one topic on either civil 3D road design, surveying, what are the best practices in surveying and road design or transportation, how the business is changing in drafting, highway designing, and surveying field, what are the trends going on in the world. We will speak about them every week. For today, we will stop here and we'll again meet next week. Thank you very much for your time.